How to uninstall Blinkit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove this app. First of all, navigate to the place where the app is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. So now we in this app info. In other mobile devices, you can directly go to settings and open app info. Here on the bottom, there's an icon called uninstall. Simply tap on uninstall. Now before removing the app, make sure you have your user ID and password saved, because if you reinstall it, you might need it. Now here, simply tap on OK. So let's wait for some time. And as you can see, the app is completely gone from my mobile device and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.